Have you ever wondered who keeps cruise ship clean, fresh, and presentable 24 hours a day? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common entry-level positions on board, the public area cleaner, also known as PA cleaner. If you're planning to work on a cruise ship and don't have experience in food service or hospitality, this position can be a great way to start your shipboard career. What does public area cleaner do? A public area cleaner is responsible for maintaining cleanliness and sanitation in all public spaces on board. These areas include guest hallways, staircase, elevators, public restroom, lounges and bars, theaters, pool decks, open deck areas, crew areas, and glass doors and handrails. Your goal is to make sure every area is clean, safe, and ready for guests at all times. Remember, cruise ship operate 24/7, so cleanliness is a top priority. Three bucket system. One of the most important things you'll learn on board is the three bucket system. This system helps prevent cross-contamination during cleaning. The buckets are usually used for cleaning solution, rinse water, and sanitizing solution. Following the correct procedure is very important because cruise lines take sanitation seriously. If you want a detailed explanation of the three bucket system, check out my other video where I discuss it step by step. Understanding USPH. Another topic that often comes up during training and interview is USPH, or United States Public Health Standards. Cruise ships visiting U.S. ports must comply with strict sanitation requirements. As a public area cleaner, you will be trained on proper cleaning procedures, hand hygiene, sanitizing techniques, waste management, cross-contamination prevention, and public health inspections. USPH is a very important topic on board, so if you haven't watched my video about it, make sure to check it out after this video. Working hours. Public area cleaners typically work around 10 hours per day. Schedules may vary depending on the ship's operation. Some crew work during the day while others work overnight when fewer guests are around. This is a physically demanding job because you'll spend most of the ship walking, standing, lifting supplies, and cleaning large areas. Salary. The salary for public area cleaners varies depending on the cruise line. Most crew members earn approximately $800 to $1,300 per month. In addition to your salary, the company usually provides accommodations, meals, medical care on board, and uniforms. This allows many crew members to save a significant portion of their income. Interview tips for public area cleaner. Now let's talk about the part many applicants worry about the interview. The good news is that interviewers are not expecting you to know everything. They want to see if you understand cleanliness, safety, teamwork, and customer service. Here are some common interview questions and sample answers. Tell me about yourself. My name is Tintin. I have experience working as a cleaner, housekeeping staff, utility worker, or any position related to cleaning and maintenance. I am hardworking, reliable, physically fit, and willing to learn cruise ship standards. I enjoy working as part of a team and maintaining a clean environment. Why do you want to work as a public area cleaner? I enjoy maintaining cleanliness and organization. I understand that a clean environment creates a positive experience for guests. I also want to build a long-term career in the cruise industry and learn international hospitality standards. What is the importance of cleanliness on board? Cleanliness is important because it provides a safe and healthy environment for guests and crew. It also helps prevent the spread of illness and ensures compliance with company and USPH standards. What is the three bucket system? The three bucket system is a cleaning procedure used to prevent cross-contamination. One bucket contains cleaning solution, one is used for rinsing, and one contains sanitizing solution. Following this system helps maintain proper sanitation standards. What is USPH? USPH stands for United States Public Health. These are sanitation and hygiene standards that cruise ship must follow, especially when visiting US ports. These standards help ensure a safe and healthy environment on board. How would you handle a guest complaint about cleanliness? I would listen respectfully, apologize for the inconvenience, and immediately report or address the issue according to company procedures. Guest satisfaction is very important on board. Can you work long hours and under pressure? Yes, I understand that cruise ship work can be demanding. I am prepared to work hard, stay positive, and complete my responsibilities professionally. Important interview advice. Many applicants focus only on memorizing answers, but interviewers are also looking at confidence, eye contact, communication skills, positive attitude, and willingness to learn. If you don't know the answer, don't panic. Stay calm and answer honestly. Remember, they can train skills, but attitude is something you bring with you. Being a public area cleaner may be an entry-level position, but it plays a major role in the success of every cruise ship. Guests may not always notice when an area is clean, but they will definitely notice when it is dirty. This position teaches discipline, responsibility, teamwork, and attention to detail. Skills that can help you grow your cruise ship career. If you're planning to apply as a public area cleaner, start learning about the three bucket system and USPH standards because these topics often come up during interviews and training. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other cruise ship videos. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in my next video.